Hi everyone, just wanted to do a brief video with you to show you what's the difference between the Medite and Valchromat MFT stations and the basic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the main table we have, which is the Medite and the Valchromat, and show you what features we have on it and with our finished latest design. So as you can see here, we have introduced our tooling plate here. So this not only gives it stabilization, it actually gives you holes here so you can store your dogs in, like so. It also allows you to put your track across for storage there, as well as your F-clamps. What you also receive is the nicely knurled green thumb screws, all of the stainless steel fixings inside, as well as the areas for your F-clamps. As like mentioned before, they allow these to slide in to be able to use those. The MFT top is also made of a moisture resistant MR, or it's the black Valchromat that we have on our website. The other feature on the table, it comes with its handle underneath. So when you fold the table down and you need to carry it, it comes with this handle here, as well as the legs stop there, so when it's all folded up, the legs don't come out. Okay, and the other items is the cam locks here. So these are aluminium cam locks, and these are, you know, like on your old BMX bike or your old mountain bike. These just lever up and allow you to loosen the legs and shut them down, and then you just push them down, and then that locks that down there. So now with the basic version, we have, this is the basic version that you have here. So you can see a number of things that are not there at the moment. So you don't have this plate here for your tool storage. You also don't have any slots machined out here to use F-clamps. We still use the same quality extrusion, the same quality blocks. You can also see here that the thumb screws are just the normal steel version, as in the fixtures underneath. With this one, you do not get the handle as mentioned, and the levers for the legs are slightly different to the ones on the main station, where these ones are a bit more work involved. So as you can see underneath here, you don't have the handle here. You still have the leg stop stay, but these levers here, you have to move them about like this to undo them like so. Not too much of a faff, but I prefer the cam ones, and these are the upgrade compared to the other one. The MFT top is just a standard MDF board, unlike the moisture resistant and the Valchromat. So when you're also adding our extensions and our outriggers, both tables can take the extensions on the along edges here. But on the basic table, you can have the extensions going out, but you cannot attach the outriggers. What I'd also like to mention is if you're wanting to connect up tables side by side, you would need to order two of the tables. The extensions do not allow it to be able to connect side by side. And the same again with the basic, you would need to have multiple tables to be able to connect them. And when you're ordering the tables for that particular grid reference that you need it by, you would need to order our connection kit, and they are available on our website. So there you have the two tables there, and I hope this has answered a lot of your questions. Thanks for watching. Any questions you have, feel free to email us and ask any questions you like. And we are starting to ship these now. Hope to see you all soon.